Before going to deep in Ajax, you must know what is Ajax and for what we use Ajax. I will explain you about that with some topics, because without basic knowledge of what is Ajax, you will difficult to understand example which we are going to do finally. I will explain under 5 topics with what is Ajax. First topic is what is Ajax, and then I will explain advantages of Ajax, and then I will explain technologies that make up Ajax, and fourth topic is running Ajax application. Under the running Ajax application, I will explain how to run Ajax application in a website, and finally I will explain who's using Ajax. Under 5 topics, you will be able to understand what is Ajax and for what we use Ajax in a website. Okay, let's turn into our first topics. What is Ajax? Ajax is a technology only the necessary data transferred back and forth between the client and the web server. And Ajax minimizes the network utilization and processing on the client. This is the main process of two processes of Ajax. Okay. Now I will go to our second. We will go to our second topics. Second topic is what advantage of Ajax. Now I will explain what are the advantages of Ajax, because all web developers in the world are use Ajax technology to build their websites, because they can be able to increase their efficiency of the website. So first advantage of Ajax is asynchronous. Ajax allows for the ability to make asynchronous call to the web server. This allows the client browser to avoid waiting for all data to arrive before allowing the user to act once more. And second advantage is minimal data transfer. By now performing a full postback and sending all form data to the server, the network utilization is minimized and quicker operations occur. In sites and location with restricted pipes for the data transfer, this can greatly improve network performance. It is the second advantage. Third advantage of Ajax is limited processing of the server. With the fact that only the necessary data is sent to the server, the server is not required to process all form elements. By sending only the necessary data, there is limited processing on the server. There is no need to process all form elements, process the view state, send image back to the client, and no need to send full page post back to the client. And fourth advantage of Ajax is responsiveness. What is responsiveness? Because Ajax applications are asynchronous on the client, they can proceed to be very responsive. Today web developers and many organizations use Ajax technology to build their websites. Now I will explain technologies of Ajax. Under this topic I will explain there are so many technologies in Ajax, but I will explain only 3 topics, because I want to give a small idea about Ajax. First technology of Ajax is XML HTTP request, and another technology used in Ajax in JavaScript, and there is another technology used in Ajax is data transfer with XML or JSON. I will explain one by one. And first technology, XML HTTP request. XML HTTP request allows the browser to communicate to the backend ever. This object allows the browser to talk to the server without requesting a postback of the entire web page. And Second technology we are calling in here is JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript provide the capabilities and communicate with the backend server. Using JavaScript you can do that. And third technology is data transport with XML or JSON. What is that? Using XML allows for the ability to communicate with the web server in a standard mechanism. Many web developing organizations and developers use Ajax technology. Google is the main organization among them. Let's learn for what they use Ajax. I will talk about this. I will talk about that in this using this topic. Who's use Ajax? Google suggests is a one organization of uh, Ajax users. Google suggests features dynamic drop-down list box that provide possible to search on along with the approximate number of search results. And uh, Google Maps. Google Maps is a world famous component in the internet, and Google Maps, the ability to grab a map and zoom around without requiring a pause back, is just amazing. This service took a development world by storm when it come out. And uh, second component uh, in Google is using Ajax is Google Gmail. Google Mail is a web-based email system available through Google. And Easy Search component. The ASP.NET Easy Search component provides support for a search in single website similar to the Google Suggest service available through Google. And fifth organization is other component vendors. Component vendors such as Component Art, Dart, and others are developing controls provide arch user experience without forcing full fallback. I think you must have an idea about how to run Ajax application in the web. There are so many web browsers in the world, such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, like this. But Ajax supported only some web browsers. The relatively modern Ajax style applications are not available in all versions of all web browsers, whereas Internet Explorer version 6, Firefox version 1.5 and Opera 1.5 provide support for these applications. Older versions may be problematic because of their support for different versions of other requirements. Okay. Okay. I think now you have a brief idea about what is Ajax and how to run it. And let's ready to learn more about Java. You will be able to know so many things about Ajax through our lecture series. Thank you.